In this episode, you will see David's hair stealing the show, putting in both new windows, and as usual, goat trouble. Morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Good. What are we doing today? We're putting this window here so we cannot be jumping out anymore. This is gonna close and here is gonna go a window. So we have to install two windows. In the previous video we already cemented everything, mortared everything proper. So everything is pretty much done. I need to clean up whatever is here. Clean it up with this brushie. Hush, everything. And probably David has to cut a bit off to the sides so it can fit. So we're sure it fits. And on this window, we have to clean from on the other side. This one. I don't know what that is. Who put that? What is that doing even?
Insulating.
Okay. And I have already started brushing everything to the side. So it's not that dirty where we need to work, but mostly on the sides. So let's get started. Let's do this. Today's are gonna be I think it's super easy to put them in because we have already done it, so we are experts on that. So first of all, I'm gonna clean a bit the floor. Bring the window in so we have it, clean this, and put it on. Hairstyle?
Why?
Can you turn profile? Nice. Whoa!
This has power.
Don't go so fast. Well, if you edit this video, you'll see why.
Oh, I can't see. My face is probably orange, no?
Nope.
That's what.
There's something distracting more. Okay, tell me.
I have attached the with 2 screws here and 1 screw in there because we forgot to put the metals on this side.
With whose help?
With Desi's help, she's the best girl in the world. Without her, the window wouldn't exist even. So now we'll spray it all around and foam it up.
Yep.
This is the sticky, nasty, not so nice part.
Yuck part.
That's for the other window. The hell is there dirt here? Where did that come from?
They're probably thinking how you look.
I'm doing it on them, it's just with the air.
They're calling for mommy. Oh my girlies. Look at you. I'd rather smile to you. Like laugh at you, not smile.
It's drying, let's go fast.
Go back. What? Perfect. Amazing. I love it.
Go perfectly doing this job. Bye-bye.
Are you counting?
No, are you?
5 seconds have passed.
Oh, your recording is so good. Go timer.
10.
My God, 30 seconds take forever.
Let's, for those 30 seconds, look at your hair and think.
What's wrong with my hair?
20.
Ah.
5 more seconds.
Think it's enough?
Done.
Hope 1 is enough because, yeah.
Well, where are you gonna start? On the bottom, no?
Starting from the bottom now, man.
Puppy, you shaked it. Now you do it.
Did you take everything off?
Don't look at it and press.
Ready?
Yeah.
So now I will clean up the sides for the second window.
Yeah, it's super quick, I think.
Yeah, it's not gonna take long, just 5 minutes and we'll go around. And where's my headphones?
Your headphones.
It's gonna take me like 5 minutes and then we're putting the second window in.
Yep.
That's it.
Because we bought the foam gun, we bought a reusable foam gun,
Yeah.
but we did not think
We
how
forgot to buy
clean.
the cleaner for it, which
Yeah.
is like acetone in a can that sprays through the foam gun and cleans it.
Yeah.
We didn't think about, how do we clean it?
Yeah, so we need to do it fast before this dries out, and then we're gonna go buy the thing to clean it.
Yeah.
What is that? Flesh feathers.
Oh, I have the fabric thingy.
I have no idea.
Looks like wool or cotton. For just one peeling here. Much heavier, no?
I think we're gonna barely make it for the rain. Put the windows on.
Sure, it's already done.
Yeah, no, that's what I mean. We're perfect.
Well, it's a smaller window actually. Never know, but it's a lot here to fill.
That's all it was.
Oh, this took all. Yeah, this took all now. It's 6:26. Why are we even?
I said it's 6 o'clock.
I thought you were saying it like it's late. We should go eat foodie and sleepy.
That's what I meant, but so how do we clean our gun?
We should Google online how to clean a gun.
How to clean a gun? So you telling me that we wasted 20 minutes for no reason? Well, 10.
Maybe. Because they were so interested in my wheat.
It's okay, chickens.
Put this one down. So what the neighbors told me is that instead of buying a cleaner, because that's whenever you want to fix it or take it off the thing. If you leave it on and screw this one closed, which is adjusting how much comes out, you just screw it fully closed and just clean this with a knife to be nice and clean. And that's it. Next time you just unscrew it and it comes out.
Yeah, I mean, we're gonna use it soon anyway.
Yeah, really soon. Whoa, that's shiny underneath. It's screwed closed, it doesn't even press. So no one can even accidentally press it and leak it out. So that's gonna stay until we need to do that window, but we need to buy... This probably will do a full window, but the second window we will not be able to do in the living room. So we need to buy another one of these in depot. We really need to make a trip to depot.
Yeah.
But now, let's put in this glass so we can see how that whole thing looks finished.
Yes, and so it doesn't rain in.
I cannot reach it.
What are they doing? Baba, they're eating my peppermint.
Go. See, Mama is angry.
What are they doing? They know exactly how to get out.
Struggling.
Come. Go up.
Guess it's time for their walk?
I guess. No, what time is it? Yeah,
I think they know when they need to be out.
It's 7 o'clock, yeah.
7:30. Senoritas don't know how to get out.
What is going on here? What have you done?
They're building the windows, they finished them.
They finished the windows?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
While we were sleeping, they finished all the windows.
We should have get goats earlier.
Yeah, they would have done everything. Look how good job they did.
They did a better job than we did in the previous window.
Yeah, much better.
Right?
Much better. Okay, let's see if they get out.
Okay.
By
We'll
the way,
pay
this
you
window
tomorrow.
doesn't open on its own. This one's not broken.
We'll pay you tomorrow.
Ella. Ella.
What's that? He doesn't see where to go. So confused.
Other way. She's so confused with the glass.
Man, come here.
She's trying to get under.
Very smart.
Okay, bye bye. See you later.
Bye bye.
Go with them.
I need to go with them or they're gonna eat everything we have.
Okay, go.
Go, go, girl. Go, go. No, back up. Down. Down. No.
You're being crazy doesn't bother them.
I've been used as being stupid, so they... It feels good to sit down, I must say, and the mosquitoes are super annoying. So, we finished the windows. Oh, you have already seen that. Why am I saying it? But, I cannot talk. Well, David said that we haven't done anything today except of putting 2 windows in, that's like nothing. So he said, okay, let's go plant, because it's late, obvious. So we decided to plant. But this is gonna be another video, because we're gonna do a full video of what we planted. And if it grows, fingers crossed, give us a like so it can grow, because the more like you give us, the more it will grow. And we're gonna show you updates and updates and updates. So it's gonna be like in a month or 2 video, but don't worry. So, windows are done, goaties are gonna go to sleep now. Tomorrow it's gonna rain midday. What else do you want to tell you? I don't think you care about anything else, right? Okay, hope you enjoy it, and we're gonna see you next time. I don't know what we're gonna do next time, but you're gonna be surprised the same way we will be. See you. Can you do a turn for me? Fully. No, you were already. What have you done today?
Put windows in.
Mm-hmm.
Planted stuff.
Mm-hmm. But this
not
hair
much.
is not like an excuse for anything.
It's really sharp.
Like, show me, turn. Like,
Feels really dry,
Like what?
So it's hard to make it in a bun.
Can you move your hair
downstairs?
like like that? Move your hair like Justin Bieber. That's definitely not Justin Bieber.
Hey, baby.
Okay. Just
Okay, good. I go sleep.